Let's talk about AI a little bit. I've been talking about AI and showing you guys how to use AI for about a year. And one of my contentions has been that at some point technology will come across that will allow AI to replace mediocre salespeople. And I know some of you don't believe me. I've said for a long time that I don't think AI can replace a good to great salesperson. Well, I'm going to tell you something. I'm at a conference in Las Vegas and I have just seen the technology that will allow AI to replace mediocre salespeople right damned now. Not 10 years from now, not 5 years from now, not 1 year from now, right now. Why are mediocre salespeople mediocre? Well, a lot of it is because they don't care to develop their skills. They don't keep up with the buyer's journey. They don't keep up with the changes in selling. They don't work to empathize, to find needs, to really navigate customers through the buyer's journey. Great salespeople, well-trained salespeople do that, and I don't think there's a point on the horizon where they can be replaced by AI. But I'm telling you what, I saw an app this morning that will replace mediocre salespeople, and I'm going to investigate it, not only for you, but for myself as well. So here's my comment to you. If you are that mediocre salesperson, if you're that salesperson who hasn't reinvested in your own skills, who hasn't spent time developing your own skills, it's time to get off your ass. Because if you don't, you are replaceable. And if you are a sales manager that has those mediocre salespeople, you better get them off their asses or they're replaceable. Because here's the thing, the tech that I saw is much cheaper than paying a salesperson. And yeah, like I said, I'm going to be bringing more information to you on it as it becomes available. But yeah, the changes in selling, this is one of the top 4 trends that I identified, and it's here, gang. And it's an exciting time, but it's also a challenging time. It's time for us as salespeople, as human salespeople, to rise up, to meet the challenge. We have to be better than those computer generated AI applications, or we're going to be obsolete. I'm Troy Harrison, the Sales Navigator. If this video has been at all helpful to you, you know what to do. Like it, share it, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. If you are an owner or manager of a company, scan the QR code for your free sales strategy review.